Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to fix an Acer Swift 3 laptop that refuses to turn on. This model is the Acer Swift 3, specifically the N20C12, but this method may work on similar Acer laptops as well. If your laptop won't turn on, it can be frustrating. You press the power button but nothing happens. No lights, no fan noise, no sign of life. Well, before you start to panic, let's try something simple that often fixes this issue. First, hold down the power button for about 15 seconds to make sure the system is fully powered off. This can sometimes help reset any glitches that might be causing the issue. Disconnect everything. Remove the charger, USB devices, or anything plugged into your laptop. Next, flip the laptop over. You'll find a tiny pinhole, usually labeled with a battery symbol, or marked as a reset. This is the battery reset pinhole, and it's there to perform a hard reset on the internal battery, which could solve problems like your laptop not powering on. Take something like a bent paper clip or a small pin and press into the reset hole. Hold it down for about 15 to 30 seconds, then release it. Now, we'll wait for about 1 minute to let the laptop reset fully. You can use this time to stretch, relax, or grab a quick snack. After waiting, go ahead and press the power button. If all goes well, your laptop should power back on, and you're good to go. And that's it. Hopefully, this helped you get your Acer Swift 3 back up and running. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.